So what up guys, welcome to the next episode. In this episode I'm trying to explain to you how the reload part of the script is working. Like we will import one thing, like one line of code is importing something, and the other 9 lines of code are the loop which tries to find an element, and if the element cannot be found it will reload the page. That's essentially what it does. And there's some timing issues which we could run into, but I've written 2 lines of code to prevent that. So hope you understand a little bit of it, and at the end of the video there's also a demonstration of the bot where it's actually running in real time on a real drop, so you can see that I'm not just making shit up or something. So enjoy it and see ya. So open up Sublime Text 2, and today we have 10 new lines of code. First of all, something that we have to import, and a loop. What is a loop, you ask me? A loop is something that just repeats itself. And what is the logic of this loop? We try to find an element using the partial link text method, and in this case we're looking for the word supreme, for the string supreme. And if we have found it, then continue with the script. But if there is a NoSuchElementException, which will occur if no such element is present, then we will, in the case of a supreme drop, it will look like this. I can delete this line of code, to be honest. And we will wait until the expected condition is true, which says that the presence of an element is located, and the element which we're looking for this time is the time zone name element. This is to prevent the driver to try to find an element by partial link text before the website has loaded, because if the website hasn't loaded fully yet, there's a high chance that it won't be able to find the item you're looking for. So what this does is it will make sure that the supreme page has loaded, at least this right here has loaded, because this is the time zone name element and it says New York City. Like this is what it's looking for, and if this is present then the driver can refresh, but not earlier. So the driver will refresh and it will try to look again for the partial link text of supreme, and afterwards it will just continue with the script and try to find it by partial link text and supreme and click it as well. So I have, together with a good friend of mine, created a HTML file which simulates a supreme drop, because right now it's not the real supreme drop time, but for demonstration purposes this is going to be okay. So at 22:17 our simulated supreme drop will happen, so we go and start the program right now. Firefox will pop up and we will be directed to a website where it says no item has dropped yet, but the drop will be released at this time. And I have the wrong logic in here, because for demonstration purposes I have to make this go away. Okay, but now that the new program has opened up, you will see it reloads the website until it's present, and when it's here it will click on the item. In this case our link directs us to the Blipper YouTube video, so this is not what you want to operate the rest of the script on, but I just wanted to make sure you see that it's working. Also, I will leave you with a demonstration of the Supreme bot actually working in real time at a real drop. And yeah. So I pressed build the script, it goes to Supreme, tries to reload the page, tries to find the vans. In this case I'm looking for the vans, old school, these ones, okay. Yeah, and then I'm going to check out. I had to blur this out, but as you can see it went through all of the information. This is at the point of time where the bot didn't have the telephone number yet, like I had to type it in manually, as you can see. And also it was very slow at the CVV. Still, it seemed to have worked out fine, and I've got to make an order. This is just a proof of concept, so you can see how that it works. It will be a lot faster too if you're not stupid like I was. And in the next video I'm going to show you how to fill out the form, like as I've shown you right now, in checkout, and then you should be pretty much good to go, I think. Yeah, that's it. So afterwards we can do some slight improvements, and also I'm trying to redo the video so it's more for the general population, if you know what I mean, and not everybody cares about programming or wants to learn a little bit about it. They just want to know how to get it working, how to get it running as soon as possible, and I understand it. So that's what I'm trying to do then. Have a nice one. Drop a like, comment, follow me on Instagram, you know what's up. So, see ya.